Welcome back, first graders. So here we are ready for Fundations for Unit 8, Week 2, Day 4, and let's practice our sounds. What's this? Oh, sorry, I forgot. You're just telling me the sound again. So what sound does this letters make? K. Sound? Er. An. Eh. Y. K. Okay, we have a word of the day. So I'm going to put the tiles up and we're going to talk about what each tile means and then we'll tap it out together. So here's your word of the day. Right away I see yellow, which is those blends we've been talking about. Now I see one letter, which tells me that this is just a normal consonant blend. Tap, tap. I see my vowel here in the middle. And then I see two F's. Now, I know that we've been saying yellow means a blend, but our first grade minds tell us that when I see FF, I know that that's actually a bonus letter. And this star up here tells me that too. And then I have my bright yellow frame at the end, which, what do we call that? A suffix. And if you remember, we hide our suffixes behind our back when we tap. So if I want to count out how many taps I should have 1, 2, 3, and then remember these share a tap, 4, and I'm going to hide this behind my back. So let's tap together really slow. B, ol, hide it, bluff, bluffs. Okay, so bluffs is our word of the day. Now, what does this word mean? Sometimes when we are trying to fool someone, we're playing a bluff. We call that bluffing. So she bluffs while playing Uno. She doesn't want you to know she has the reverse card. How would I mark up this word? So we already talked up here, we have a consonant blend. We see the B, we see the L. Oh, my bad. And we give them both a tap. Do you remember how I mark up consonant blends? If I had a mark, I would underline. Very good. They already marked up our bonus letter for us. They told us that this F is a bonus and so it gets a star. Now I have a suffix at the end. So I need to circle my suffix and underline my base word. So first graders, I also want to ask you, what is my base word? If I know that my base word is everything without the suffix, what's my base word? Bluff. Very good. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We're going to review some trick words. So look at the cards again. We're going to go pretty fast through this. Here we go. Would, could, should. This is our new one from yesterday. Her. Also from yesterday. Over. Another one from yesterday. Number. Why. By. My. Try. Put. To, very, also, some, come, were, are, who, what, when, where, there, last one, here. Good job. So today we're going to work on having some more words with blends and we're going to keep adding sounds. We're going to do words with more and more sounds because we've got this down. All right, so I'm going to build a word and then we're going to talk about it together. Yellow, you already know what that means. Pink, yellow, suffix. Let's get our pen out. Let's mark up first. So at the very beginning, I see yellow, which tells me automatically that it's a blend. We've been talking about consonant blends and digraph blends. Consonant blends are two consonants. A digraph blend is a consonant and a digraph. Is this two consonants or is it a digraph and a consonant? This one is two consonants, C by itself and L by itself. When I mark this up, each letter gets its own line because it gets its own tap. And I can hear both sounds. My I is going to be short, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a breathe. At the end of the word, I see a digraph, so it gets one underline. because it gets one tap and one sound. And then at the end of my word, I see a suffix. And I remember that I circle my suffix, underline the base word. I think we're ready to tap this word out. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4 taps. Hide our suffix behind our back. Are you ready to do this? Here we go. K, ol, I, k, s. Click, clicks. She clicks the remote. She's clicking it right now. First graders, I got some questions about this word. Are you ready to answer them? The first one. What's my blend? CL. Very good. Is it a consonant blend or a digraph blend? A consonant blend because it's 2 consonants. There's no digraph there. First graders, what is the CK at the end of the word? Now that is a digraph. Awesome. And then I have a suffix at the end. Can suffixes be in blends? They don't get to play with the other letters. Nope. Okay, so right now I want you to pause your video and I want you to go get something to write on because we're going to start working on you writing some words. So pause it and go get it. All right, welcome back. So I'm going to say a word and you're going to build it and then we're going to check it. Make sure you pause the video so you have more time. Your first word is flash. Say that word. Flash. Let's tap it. F-O-A-S-H. Flash. Okay, pause the video and I want you to build flash. Make sure you mark it up. Okay, let's check your work on the word flash. For you should have put F-O-L-A-S-H. And when we marked it up, you see F and L, which you know are 2 consonants. They're not a digraph, they're a blend, so it gets 2 lines for 2 taps. If your A said ah, does that mean it's long or short? That means it's short, so it's going to get a breve. And at the end of my word, I see 1 tile, but it has 2 letters on it. What do we know that SH is? A digraph, and it gets its own line because it gets 1 tap. Awesome. Good job. Okay, erase. You're going to do the word punch. Say that word. Punch. Let's tap it. P-a-n-ch. Punch. One more time. P-a-n-ch. Punch. Okay, pause this video and build your word punch. Okay, let's check your word for punch. P is a P. A is a U. N is an N. Ch is a CH. Good job. I'm going to get my marker out so we can check how you marked it. Did you do anything to this first P? Nope. You should have done something to your U. It says Is that long or short? It's short, so it gets a breve. Now, I see 2 yellow cards next to each other. I'm going to give a line and a line. I have a digraph blend here because this consonant is blending with this digraph. Ch. First graders, where is your blend in that word? N-C-H. Good job. Okay, and our last job we're going to do today is a sentence. All right, your sentence is, the frog hops over the bench. Okay, I'm going to add some syllable frames up here. The frog jumps. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, you know what? Hang on, Mrs. Berry just made a mistake. Hang on 1 second. So I was silly and I was trying to use syllable frames and not sentence frames. See, even teachers make mistakes. Okay, so if you remember, our sentence was, the frog jumps over the bench. So now I'm going to drag some sentence frames up. The frog jumps over the bench. And that's just a telling sentence. So I'm going to put a period at the end. Oop, not right there though. Okay, so say the sentence one more time with me. The frog jumps over the bench. Okay, take your time, pause the video, and write it, and come back when you're ready to check. Okay, let's check your work. Your first word was the, which is a trick word that we just kind of have to know how to spell. And it also got a tall frame, which tells me it needs to be a capital letter. So the frog jumps over, oh, Mrs. Sperry spelled that wrong, over the bench. Period. It's not letting me put a period, but a period's supposed to go there. I want to talk about the word frog and the word bench here. Frog had a blend, and it's just a consonant blend because it's consonant consonant. But if I look over at bench, I have a digraph blend because I have consonant digraph. Did you catch that? Okay, good work today, first grade.